This is our Bobcat T666 skid steer loader, compact track loader, and if I had to rate equipment on the ranch, this is probably one of our most important tools. This thing is an absolute workhorse. It is designed to pick things up and set them down. We use it to mow trails, we use it to run a grapple, move piles of dirt, load trailers, unload trailers. This thing is absolutely indispensable around here, and I, quite frankly, I don't know how people made it happen without skid steers before skid steers existed. They've made it so much easier. Of course, I don't understand how most things got done without modern day equipment, but this machine has been very good to us. And as you can imagine, all good things that come to an end. So we've had our time with it, and it's time to say goodbye. See you, buddy. Welcome to the ranch, T66. Welcome to the ranch, bud. We are gonna have a lot of fun together. You don't even know. So this is our brand new Bobcat T66. All right, cold weather project number 332 shows Zach how to operate the new skid steer. All right, this is a really nice skid steer. It's got everything you need in it, including a backup camera. You see the top green button on the left? Okay, the one below it is the one that unlocks the machine. So go ahead and put the safety bar down. It's over your head. That's your lap restraint. And then press that green button, the second one down. Yep. And now the machine is unlocked. On the left stick, there's a rabbit and a turtle. You can leave it in turtle mode till you get comfortable, but you'll be in rabbit mode before you know it. So the left stick is all driving, and the right stick is all arms and bucket. So if you pull back, it'll lift this arm just a little bit. That's good. And now just back up. You could use your rear view camera and back up so you don't hit anything, and it's safer out there to move around and play with it. There's two ways to adjust the throttle, right here and your foot, your right foot. Throttle, baby, throttle, give it throttle. There's not much to it.
I don't know what Chris is always complaining about.
I don't either.
That's the easiest thing in the world to drive.
Yeah, okay, let me drive it a little bit. Got some loose bolts already.
That sucks.
Alright, remind me to tighten those down.
Winter project number 314.
Hey, Roger. What happened? Roger's the salesman. The other nice thing about this machine, which most modern skid steers have now, is the quick attaches hydraulic. I don't know if it'll do it with the door open. Yeah. I'll shut the door and you'll see you can remove and reattach the bucket or forks or anything without getting it out of the machine.
That means open the garage door in Ari speak. Patience is a virtue.
How do you see that, right?
Nikolai's first experience
Yep.
driving a stick at the ranch.
Yep.
All right.
So you want me to let go of the parking brake first?
Yeah, you had to let go of the parking brake. Pull a little harder. Pull it like a man. There you go.
There we go.
All right. Now,
that.
That's your clutch.
Because I want to start the clutch and then I kind of let go to ease the car to get to moving.
Yeah, so you're gonna put your foot on the clutch and press in. Press in. Press all the way in. Okay. So now put the shifter in second gear.
Like that?
No, it's not in second gear. I can tell. Let me see. I think it's in second gear. I'm not sure. Oh, see, there you stalled. So push the clutch back in. Start the car.
Like.
Okay. Now you have to hold the clutch in until you're ready to go. Okay, you got this in second gear. And you give it a little bit of gas. Just give it a little gas. No, just tap it. Go. Beep 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 beep. Yeah. And as you're doing that, now slowly let the clutch out. A little more gas. Beep beep. Look up. Foot off the clutch. Foot off the clutch. There you go. Nice and easy.
Nice.
Alright. And so now I want you to bring us to a stop, and all you have to do is push the clutch in. You're gonna go straight. Push the clutch in. Push the clutch all the way in. That's it. Just forget about the brake.
Oh, no.
Doesn't hurt. Alright, so now remember, keep the clutch in.
Yep.
Give it a little bit of gas. Right? A little more. Beep, 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 beep. And then slowly let the clutch out. Slowly. Oh, yeah.
Stalled.
Push the clutch in. Just restart the car. Fine. You're not going to break anything. No.
Keep stalling.
It's not the car's fault. It's your fault,
My
I
fault.
promise. Yeah. Here we go. Off to the races. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. All right, let's try it again. Clutch in, okay? Start the car.
I'm confused.
All right, this time try it with a little more gas. Keep that gas going a little bit more because it's stalling because you're not giving it enough gas. The reason you don't realize it is you're on a little bit of a hill here. So it needs a little more oomph to get over this hill. Here we go.
Woohoo! You got it.
Yeah, you did it. You did it. Beautifully done.
Am I allowed to put it on the gas to get a little more speed?
Yeah.
I think that's a buck. Look, you can see it.
Yeah, we're gonna drive right past it. Start turning left. Start turning left. Yeah. Right down there. Yep, right down this trail here. This is a new trail. Oh, nice and neat, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yeah. Yeah, this is a new field we just cleaned up.
When did you do that?
On the fall. Apparently you're not watching our videos, otherwise you'd know all about it. Ooh.
Sorry.
Look. Is there a reason you don't like us anymore? Or what's going on? Whoa. Right, you're right. Whoa! Okay, foot off the. Yeah. All right, go back on the throttle a little bit. Yeah, you get a little carried away there, tearing up our trails.
Oh, go do this, king in the castle.
Jeez.
That was good though.
Yeah, they gotta make sure to like and subscribe.
Right, you gotta like and subscribe. Yeah. So push the clutch in, put this in neutral. Is it in neutral? Yeah, cool. Cool. Use your parking brake. push in with your foot. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Thank you.
Wasn't it fun, Nikolai?
Oh, that was fun. Very fun.
High five.
Hopefully there's some good buck pictures on there.
Hopefully. Alright, we'll find another one. Yeah. Photographs. That's not a lot. We planted this field. Look at this deer trail. We planted this field last year. It looks pretty good.
Looks great.
This is, I think Chris shot a deer in here this year.
That's where he got his buck.
Can't remember. Got 3 deer. But this is just the first year's growth, and it's not really supposed to impress you until like the 3rd year. So but you can see all the rows in the planting.
No. What's planted in here?
There's like 30 seeds. It includes big blue stem, little blue stem, black-eyed Susan. There's some, I think some Holt native grasses, some Indian grass. Oh, the big one is 2% milkweed for the butterflies, and 2%'s a lot. We pay extra for the milkweed seed. It's a custom-made mix, and the NRCS has to approve it. So. All right, let's go find some more cameras. Because right now it's 3:10 p.m. and you go 1 notch and it's 311 photographs. I'll try this card one more time just to see. Error.
Yeah, it sounds like a bad card.
We'll clear these cards and come put one in there. Boom. That's what I have to do is go empty one of these cards I have and come back out. Great. That's not the worst thing ever. Alright, so long story short, we go download the cards, and what do we find? We have a trespasser. We have no idea who this guy is. This is absolutely not clickbait. I wouldn't play games like that. Never seen this person before, and of course, the camera's aimed down to catch wildlife, not human beings walking by, and so I don't have a face. I did make a few casual observations. I noticed that he's got no weapon, so that's meaningful. I noticed that his pants are unzipped and they're dragging. I don't know if he's just lazy or if he was in a hurry. I also noticed that what appears to be in his lap area, I think that's a hand warmer, like a pouch to warm your hands in, but I'm not completely sure. Take a look at the photo. If you see something that strikes you, go ahead and drop a comment. I'd love to know how other people view this photo, and likely we'll never figure out who this guy is. I have gone ahead and added some additional cellular cameras in this area, and if something pops up, I will be certain to let you guys know. So we found some other nice photos on the trail cam cards, and so here, go ahead and enjoy some of those as well.